What is that?
A big puddle.
You see all the waves you put in it? The ripples in the water? Jump again. Watch them. You see the ripples? Jump up and down so you can see them. See them? Grass.
Hey, what's that one?
Leaves.
What's the orange shoe?
There's a lot of stuff on your shoe.
What's that orange shoe? What's that?
Dirt and water and grass and leaves and...
Wait.
Are you ready to go inside?
No.
No, you still want to puddle jump?
Yeah, good.
I'm in the puddles. You don't see me walking in the puddles? See? I'm in the puddle with you.
Let's go in that water.
No, let's stay back up here.
Mommy, what are you doing over here? Mommy, let's not go over here.